In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a Trello board public so anyone with the link can view it. This is perfect if you're sharing a project roadmap, a content calendar, a client workspace, or any board that you want others to see without adding them as members. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and it only takes a minute to do. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see all of your boards. This area is usually labeled Boards and shows every board you've created or joined. Next, find the specific board that you want to make public. Click directly on that board to open it. Make sure you're selecting the correct board, especially if you manage multiple projects, because changing visibility settings will apply only to the board you currently have open. Once your board is open, look toward the top right area of the screen. You'll see a visibility indicator. Depending on your current settings, it may say Private or Workspace Visible. Click on that visibility option. This is where you control who can see your board. After clicking the visibility setting, a menu will appear showing the available options. You'll typically see Private, Workspace, and Public. To make your board accessible to anyone on the internet with the link, click on Public. When you select Public, Trello will show you a warning message. This is important. Making a board public means that anyone with the link can view the board and its cards. Your board may also be indexed by search engines, depending on the content. So before confirming, double-check that there's no sensitive or confidential information inside the board. If you're sharing it externally, it's always a good idea to quickly scan your cards, attachments, and comments. If you're sure you want to proceed, click on the button that says Yes, Make Board Public. Once you confirm, Trello will immediately update the board's visibility settings. And that's it. Your Trello board is now public. You can copy the board URL directly from your browser's address bar and share it with anyone. They won't need to request access to view it, although they won't be able to edit it unless you specifically add them as a member. If at any time you change your mind, you can repeat the same steps, click on the visibility setting again, and switch it back to private or workspace visibility, so you're always in control of who sees your board. Just as a quick tip, making a board public is great for portfolios, public roadmaps, knowledge bases, or community planning boards. But for internal company projects or personal task management, keeping it private is usually the safer choice. So to quickly recap, go to Trello, open your board, click on the visibility option in the top right, select Public, and confirm by clicking Yes, Make Board Public. Simple as that. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.